Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Review. In today's episode, we're going to explore how to use the BCA before change after ratio table to tackle a non-routine question like this. So if you'd like to know how to solve a question like this in the shortest possible time, stay with me all the way till the end and you will be able to see the answer for yourself. But for now, let's do a quick understanding of the question together. Last year, the ratio of the number of men to the number of women who signed up for a marathon was 5:4. So I'll indicate this as 5U and 4U. 5 units for men, 4 units for women. This year, the number of men who signed up increased by 30%, whereas the women who signed up actually decreased by 50%. And it is said that a total of 4,913 men and women signed up this year. So what is the difference between the total number of people who signed up for the marathon in the 2 years? So the question is asking us to find the difference between the total in the 2 years. So let us draw the table together. So we have men and women. I'll just quickly draw my table, and it takes no time at all. So before, I'll leave plenty of space for that. Okay, so before, change, and finally after. Before, change, after. Alright. So for the men, last year it was 5 units. For the women, 4 units. And it said that the men who signed up this year increased by 30%. So in my ratio table, I'll just indicate plus 30% times 5 units, which means that for the men this year it must be 130% multiplied by 5 units. So if you were to key this into the calculator, you will actually obtain 6.5. So I'll just show up as 6.5 units. I'll write it down into my table. As for the women, it decreased by 50%, which is minus 50% times 4 units. So this will mean that the women in the end is also 50% of 4 units. Because 100% of the women, if I subtract away 50%, I'll be left with 50%. And if I key this into a calculator, it will be 2 units. So it is said that a total of 4,913 men and women signed up for the marathon this year. So this will actually mean that 6.5 units, which came from the men, 2 units came from the women, 8.5 units has got to represent 4,913. So how do I know that I'm on the right track? Let me demonstrate for all of you. If I were to find 1 unit, I will take 4,913 divided by 8.5. And in doing so, 4,913 divided by 8.5, this will get me 578. 578. So this is a decent number. And this is actually something that gives me great confidence in the exams that I'm on the right track. Now, the question is asking us what's the difference between the total number of people who sign up for the marathon in the 2 years. So there's actually no need for us to work out, 9 units. I can actually take the difference between 9 units and 8.5 units, because I know previously that it was 5 units and I add 4 units to it, this gives me 9 units. So last year, the number of people were 9 units. And this year, it has dropped to 8.5 units. So this will mean that there is a 0.5 unit reduction, 0.5 unit decrease. And since 1 unit is 578, 0.5 units will therefore be 578 divided by 2. Okay, 578 divided by 2, and this gets me to 289. And you have followed me all the way till the end. This is indeed the answer that we are looking out for. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or you got anything out of it whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know where you guys are tuning from. That's always good to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, remember, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way, because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.